Nigerians, I want to confess, you understand? That gun, when I go carry that day when I kill the guy, na me will be the gun. You understand? That gun, na me will be the gun that day. But normally, not me keep person, but na me will be the gun. So I don't the gun station now, come write statement. I don't write statement, everything will happen, so na me will be the gun. But not Mickey the guy. I want me to bring all of them to book. And the way my son died, I want them to die like that.
Okay, so where did they, who owns this gun?
It belongs to the house doing confraternity.
Okay, you go open your mouth.
If you want to arrest the two people, okay, IG, for this one, you got to be neutral now. Nigerians, they watch you. Be neutral on this matter.
Tell me, why they not open that Waybill for that park where they initially send them before they carry and go data? Probably they set this guy up.
The mother of Ogenemi, they don't lost 2 children through police killing. They make us they run mental.
And for the people where they depart from the states where they send this person come, where they send this Waybill, police need to arrest them. When you arrest them, ask of the person who received the goods, who received the Waybill, and then who sent it to data.
The driver, when they carry the package all the way from Sapele to that park, I want me to bring the driver. And even the chairman of that park, I want me to bring her to book. And the 4 policemen, both the one when he crack gun, both the one when he give him bullet, I want me to bring all of them to book. And the way my son died, I want them to die like that.
You people kill somebody in broad daylight. The word Siam. Try to hide it, we brought it out.
You are employed to enforce and preserve the fundamental rights of citizens. So the idea of abusing a suspect is unprofessional.
Police chain me like this from Asaba to Lagos. I dey beg the NBA, I dey beg National Assembly, I beg. Make una dey strong Puma for this matter. I may not be out there anymore to say it. They don't begin to try to say, cut. I spent 4 years in the prison, Nigerian prison. I spent 4 years, man.
Look at the picture on the day he unalived this man. I took this screenshot from that video. And then look at the picture of him circulating online where he was arrested, handcuffed. Look at the picture. Look at beard all over his face. Did the beard grow overnight? Did it grow overnight? Why here zoom and? He says no BS bar. Why BS come through this man's face for here? On they think wait here they think so. Because at this point, I go believe say this man don't commit before. As a police officer, he don't commit, got arrested, handcuffed, and then they took pictures of him. Then probably when he don't do this second one, at that time, this old picture start to the trend.
Against one assistant superintendent of police, Ogbegbe Usman, on constant dehumanization and brutalization and other innocent citizens of Kwale within Indokwa, Okwane Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, kindly permit me to lay this petition.
All right, now listen. Usman Nuhu left with Siana with 2 people to the park to pick up Ogenemine that the Agboru or the park people are arrested. All right, now those 2 people with Usman in this video, they are not police officers. They are not police officers. These 2 people, they are civilians like me and you. They are civilians and not police officers. So the area commander Shaba and his team, they always give police polo to civilians. If you watch in front of this guy Efe now the guy with the help Usman, they arrange the magazine. Not be police officer for anywhere for Nigeria. Efe and Godwin, now 2 of them follow Usman come the park. So they are together in this. They are not police officers. So now, which other teammate they say they arrest with Usman? Because those teammates not follow Usman commit this offense, so they not follow them commit this offense. Those teammates were not on duty. It was on Sunday. Now Usman and these 2 civilians, Efe and Godwin, now they go carry Ogenemine for park. When Usman won't shoot, this magazine get issue. Now the civilian Efe, now he help Usman, they arrange the magazine. They are not police officers. So when they arrest Usman, they only invited Usman teammates, because for the team, for the area command, Usman now be the team leader. He's an ASP, now the team leader. He gets some inspectors where they follow him. They work for back. Now, those people where they follow Usman, they work. They were invited. So when time come, they will exonerate them because they were not on duty. They did not attend. They did not buy minute together. Reason why their names were not mentioned. See, say our IG carefully not mention their name, but he say other officers will be dismissed. They not get case. The FA and Godwin, where then they? Where are they? They are to get 3 of them now then commit this crime. Where is FA and Godwin? Worry people now people for that side. Make una fish them out. FA and Godwin now to them follow Usman. Go buy Ogenemine. They should provide them. They should provide them. And stop lying to us. If you want to give us justice, do it in a truthful way. Do and make people they see them. Not be corner. Why? Why? Now human being ain't die. Not be crayfish. You people kill somebody in broad daylight. The word Siam. Try to hide it, we brought it out. So why will you be hide? Make una arrest the 2 people. Make una bring them come join Usman. They want to quickly push up Usman so that they go tell us say there are police irregularities. Both from the area commander will be ACP Shaba. Because he's the area commander. Those boys, they are using them to work. Civilians. They are civilians. They are using them to work. I dey beg the NBA. I dey beg National Assembly. I beg. Make una dey strong puma for this matter. This matter, bless now go end all these bad things that they do. Where they kill people. Now go stop them. I dey beg Nigerians, everybody, make una puma. I may not be out there anymore to say it. They don't begin to try to say cut fire no matter what. Omo, I spent 4 years in the prison, Nigerian prison. I spent 4 years, man. 4 years now I spent. I chop out for kiri for waiting nothing. Go and ask them. I did nothing. I was discharged by the court. I left Nigeria to the US and I came back. I've been advocating. From human rights, I entered security. Along the line, there was issues, and then police wanted to use it to tie me down. No, it is time for we to follow the matter from beginning to the end without bending. Okay, IG, for this one, you not do well. You got to be neutral now. Nigerians, they watch you. Be neutral on this matter. Be neutral. This woman, the mother of Ogenemi, they don't lost 2 children through police killing. They make us they run mental. Police chain me like this from Asaba to Lagos.
Nigerians are shouting justice for this boy, but nobody is asking this question. Look at the picture of the man who unalived this young man. Look at the picture on the day he unalived this man. I took this screenshot from that video. And then look at the picture of him circulating online where he was arrested, handcuffed. Look at the picture. Look at beard all over his face. Did the beard grow overnight? Did it grow overnight? Why here zoom and zoom and zoom? You still say no BS bar? Why BS come through this man's face for here? Or they think wait here they think so? Because at this point, I go believe say this man don't commit before. As a police officer, he don't commit, got arrested, handcuffed, and then they took pictures of him. Then probably when he don't do this second one, at that time, this old picture start to the trend. Because not be the picture of this man be this, not be the recent picture be this. Why is it looking so bushy? Look at BS all over the place. They look like all these cultist leader. They look like all this number 1 and all this unit head. See him now, zoom this picture, check this picture. I was expecting to see the picture of this man handcuffed with no BS. Why beard full everywhere? I've been at AI. Now AI, I have one other question again. The park where this Waybill was sent from initially, tell me why they not open that Waybill for that park where they initially send them before they carry and go data. Why they not open them? And two, if they don't open them for here, where they send them initially, any state where they send them to data, if they don't open them for there, probably they set this guy up. How them take set her up, we say, when he reach in the park, then swap that thing. Then leave waiting in come collect, give them another thing so that they go use that on a life arm. Yes! Then swap them so that they go use them on a life this guy. I know what they tell you. I know what they go use them by this guy. Yes! And for the people where they depart from the state where they send this parcel come, where they send this Waybill, police need to arrest them. When you arrest them, ask of the person who received the goods, who received the Waybill, and then who sent it to data. And the people who received it in data, who now ask the boy to open the Waybill, because there is no way you go receive Waybill for park when they go ask you to open them. No, they don't already open them from the initial place where it was sent from. Let's say you go, let's say we get park where they call Mr. Johnson Motors. You go send your Waybill there. When you carry your Waybill, go Mr. Johnson Motors. Then go open them. I'm just giving a name. Mr. Johnson Motors. When you go there, then go open your Waybill, check waiting day inside. When they verify, then go now collect money, collect details, and send it where you want them to send it. And when it is sent, anybody that is coming to pick it, then they open them again. They don't already check them, so that in case police see them for road or search them, they don't already open them this side. So when they go collect them, unless now you want check them. You understand? So why they hold these boys, make this boy open them, and then when he open them, they come to say, now S-beat they inside. Then come hold and down, call police. And why police go come? Only one police come. You don't see any one police. Only one police gone. They go arrest. They go arrest suspects where they see with this kind of thing. And why the police come? He come with two civilians.
Apprehension of offenders. What are we trying to enforce? Fundamental right of citizens. If a man slaps another, what has he done? He has violated the right of the other. Then the law now says he has committed assault. Go back about. If a man kills another, what has he done? No, the act that leads to murder is something. He has deprived that man the right to life. Is that not a fundamental right of his? Which has now. So you are employed to enforce and preserve the fundamental right of citizens. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
So the idea of slapping a suspect, abusing a suspect is unprofessional. I don't know whether I'm communicating.
Yes, sir.
You are law enforcer. You should not fall foul of the law you are enforcing. That era is gone, where you need to torture before you get them. Convictions are now being challenged in court. Now beat me, oh. I forced me make that. You have seen people that voluntary rights remain, but when they get to court, they say, no, not lie. Trial within trial comes up. Right of citizens must be respected. When they come to the charge room, they are in problem. Listen to them. Now, complete human being, they go hospital. Not when you get problem, you go hospital. That is the situation with somebody coming to the station. Even those who claim to be your friend, is because you are wearing that uniform, you are in this environment. If you are no more there, you call them, they won't answer you. So when they are coming in, receive them as your client. Listen to them. The fact that a man has a complaint does not mean that he is right. When you have given genuine advice to people, you have rendered police service. I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying.
I am SP Edafe Bright, and this is Delta State Police Command. We are presently at the office of Operation Delta Shade of the command. Towards the beginning of this week, or ending of last week, I guess.
Last week, Saturday.
Well, which day? Saturday, Abi?
Yes.
All right. Operative of Operation Delta Shade gathered an information on a particular hideout where they were selling drugs. We had that information, and the operative raided that place. They went there to catch a rat, but eventually caught an elephant. What do I mean? This suspect was intercepted in the process of that raid, carrying a bag. Show the bag for me. Carrying a bag. Yes. You know, I always tell you that criminals and handbag, they are 5 and 6. I don't know why. They want people to stop buying handbag. He was carrying this cross bag. I believe you were carrying it like this. Yes. And Due to the antecedent of past criminals, it prompted a search on him. Upon searching this suspect, this is a Cultism double-barrel locally made gun and 2 rounds of live cartridges and 1 expended cartridge. Well, my brother, sir, what's your name?
My name is Peter, sir.
Do you like me to talk to you in correct English or pidgin English?
Anyone, sir.
Anyone, all right. Okay, so where did who owns this gun?
The gun belongs to the house Jewish confraternity.
Okay, you go open your mouth.
It belongs to Jewish confraternity. Sir.
Who is Jewish confraternity?
PLIJ.
Who is Jewish confraternity?
They hand over this gun to me.
Who handed it over to you?
The house hand over it to me as a number 1 man, sir.
Now you are talking. You are the number 1 man in Irregularities.
Yes, sir.
Jewish confraternity.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they hand it over to you. To be doing what with it?
For self-defense, sir. As a number 1 man.
He said self-defense. Okay, sorry that I'm laughing. You know, there are some responses that are very, very funny. You are the number 1 man in Jewish confraternity, and as the number 1 man, you have this. All right, so how long have you been with this?
Since April 5th of April, that's when they issued to me, sir.
All right, so suppose there's a court rivalry. You as the number 1 man, what's your role? Maybe Juris and Eye, they fight. You as number 1 man, what's your role?
If there is incident of fight, I will first of all ask the other team what is the issue. What I want you to understand is that when there are court clashes, people dies. And oftentimes they use locally made Cultism gun or battle axe. And he has buttressed the point by saying he's the number 1 man in Juris confraternity at Irregularities. So by the time I declare war, now what's your own role? You know, so you say you're my brother, you will tell me the truth. What's your own role? My own is to use this one to defend myself.
Defend yourself?
Yes, sir.
Not even the house now, it's yourself.
Yes.
So now you agree to the gun are your own. You are confused now. All right, well, stay away from cultism, stay away from crime. All these things does not have any usefulness to you. There's no advantage. You're not your head. Abi? What have you gained as a cultist?
I've gained nothing, sir.
Say it out.
I've gained nothing, sir.
How much did they pay you monthly as a cultist?
They pay me nothing, sir.
What's your did you go to school?
I only finished secondary school, sir.
You finished secondary school. What do you do for a living now? What do you do until they get money?
I'm working, sir.
Working at where?
A campus. A campus, sir.
Campus? Which campus?
In Irregularities.
Okay, I'll put your mouth.
In Irregularities campus, South University.
Which university?
South University, sir. South University.
Southern Delta University. Okay, they have a campus in Irregularities. As what? What do they work there as?
I'm working as a gardener, sir.
A gardener. Well, the suspect is confused. So after now, supposing after you've been charged to court, prosecuted, and maybe you have served your jail term and come back, what are you going to do with your life?
Sir, I will leave cause anything courtis, anything problem, I will leave them aside.
You will denounce?
I will denounce.
Now I want to ask you, what is your advice to people that are cultists and people that intend to join tomorrow?
I will advise that there is no game in cultists. There is no game.
There's no game?
There's no game. Nothing come out from inside. At the end of the day, we are just wasting our own life.
All right. He said there is no gain in cultism, and at the end of the day, it's just a life wasted. How many cultists have you known that have died so far?
Many, even
it's okay, don't worry. Many, even what?
Even in that the same community, some cultists they used to fight. They have many questions. Some people even died last year, sir.
All right. We have heard from number 1 man of Jewish confraternity. You that is planning to join, listen now. This is supposed to be your mentor. Your mentor is not telling you that he's running away and you should not come and join this deadly gang because there is no gain. This is Delta State Police Command. Thank you.
Ó wá lọ bí padà grand ó tún lọ bá mi lájọṣepọ̀.
Bójì.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Tí wọ́n sin òkú sí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Bí aago mélòó.
Aago kan òru.
Ṣé ìyá yín nìyí?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ẹ káalẹ́ màmá.
Ẹ káalẹ́ sà.
Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ àtẹni síkà. K'Ọlọ́run ṣàánú gbogbo abiyamọ. K'Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kí gbogbo abiyamọ kan jèrè ọmọ wọn. Àní ṣe lálà lórí àwọn ọmọ wa lásán. Ẹrù wa ò ní di tẹni lẹ́ni, àní tẹrù wálẹ̀ kò di tẹni lẹ́ni.
Ó wá ní kí n dìde. Ó ní kí n já lọ kí n lọ ṣe ìwẹ̀. Omi yẹn ti wà nú bọ́tù níbi olórí ó gbé. Ó wá dà sínú omi tí mo fẹ́ fi wẹ̀.
Ibi tí wọ́n sin òkú sí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ó wá nìkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lénìí. Ó ní mi gbọ́dọ̀ sọ fún ẹ̀dá alààyè kankan o. Ó ní ọjọ́ tí n bá ti sọ. Ó ní ọjọ́ yẹn ni màá kú. Ìgbà tó ti sọ̀rọ̀ ikú yẹn lẹ̀rù ṣe ń bà mí ló jẹ́ kí n tẹ̀lé.
K'Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ àtẹni síkà. K'Ọlọ́run má fi ikú tó gbóná àbí ikú tó yáwó pa wá. Kò sí iná tóbìnrin kì í fojú winá. Ẹ wò ó, ayé ò ní ṣe ṣíọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ wa.
Ó ní ta ni mo lè múlẹ̀ nínú ìyá mi àbí ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àbọ́kọ mi àbọ́mọ. Mo wá jẹ gbèsè mi ìlérin ládùúgbò. Ó fi mọ́tò pààyàn bó ṣe dé.
Ta lẹlẹ́rìí yín?
Ẹlẹ́rìí wà lọ́lọ́run dá sun 7.
K'Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ká bá láàánú pàdé. Àánú Ọlọ́run kó gún wá sínú ayé wa, kó má fọkọ̀ ṣọ̀tá wa, kó má fi àwa fúnra wa ṣọ̀tá ara wa. Ṣé mo ń padà bọ̀ abẹ́rẹ́ question tí n fẹ́ sọ tẹ́lẹ̀?
Adéníyì Adéjọkẹ́.
kí ló ń tó ṣẹlẹ̀ báwo ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀.
láìsí ẹ̀yìn ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ mo lie down sí abẹ́ ṣíà ní ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi ní Ìjàdù.
lówó lẹ ń gbé.
Adó Èkìtì bí ni mò ń gbé.
ní Ìjàdù.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
mo ń gbọ́ yín mà.
mo lie down sí abẹ́ ṣọ́ọ̀bù bí pásítọ̀ ẹ̀ ṣe dé torí ṣọ́ọ̀bù wa ó ti ra tẹ́lẹ̀ ni èmi àti ìyàwó wọn àjìjọ máa ń ṣeré bíi sísà ni mo máa pe ìyàwó wọn. ìyàwó wọn wá kọ́ ṣọ́ọ̀bù títí wọn sí opposite ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi. ní mo ọ̀rọ̀lẹ́ ọjọ́ ẹ̀ mo lie down sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù bọ́kọ wọn ṣe kọjá nìyẹn. ó torí ìta gbogbo náà pè mí gbogbo oríṣiríṣi kan ni mò ń tà ata tòmátò ẹja. ní ọkọ ẹ̀ wá pè mí pé ta gbogbo ṣé ò sí òun mo ní rárá dádì ni mo dẹ̀ dìde mo jókòó. ó ní òun dẹ̀ fẹ́ sọ nǹkan kan fún mi o mo ní kí ni dádì.
ta lẹ ń sọ̀rọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀.
pásítọ̀.
sínú ìjọ wo.
inú ìjọ Christ of Grace.
ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì wọn lẹ ń lọ.
ìfọ́bọ̀n tó wìn rárá.
Okay.
ó ní ta gbogbo ó náà dẹ̀ rí kankan níwájú mi o kí ni dádì ó náà rí kú níwájú mi ó ní ṣé mo lè pè ìyá mi kán wá gba àdúrà fún mi ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì mo ní ó dáa mo ní màá pè wọ́n bí mo ṣe gbé fóònù yẹn mo pe nọ́mbà mọ́ èmi kò lọ alẹ́ ó wá lọ mo wá sọ fún mọ́ èmi pé dádì báyìí ò tó mọ́ èmi mọ̀ wọ́n náà àjìjọ wà ní ẹ̀gbẹ́ ṣọ́ọ̀bù ara ni ó ní mọ́ èmi ní ó dáa pé wọ́n á wá mọ́ èmi dẹ́jì lọ́jọ́ kejì ìrọ̀lẹ́ wọ́n dé wọ́n wá ní tán ẹ̀ pé 12 ní program pé bàá wá sun ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ìkànnú àwọn ọmọ ìjọ ó wá fi mọ́tò gbé mi ní ilé bó dẹ̀ ṣe tó táìmù program wọn ají evangelist ẹ̀ wá jí wọn fi tá a sùn sí onídàájì ń pè wá nù ọ́fíìsì wọ́n wá gbé omi wọ́n tan kándù yìí lọ nù ọ́fíìsì yẹn ó ní kí mọ́ èmi máa gbàdúrà sí omi mọ́ èmi náà gbàdúrà òun náà dúró tì wá ó gbàdúrà náà ó wá ní kí n dìde ó ní kí n já lọ kí n lọ ṣe ìwẹ̀ èmi tẹ̀ fi pẹ́gbẹ́ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì láti ṣe ìwẹ̀ fún mi bó ṣe débi mọ́tò ó ní kí n wọnú mọ́tò ó ná níbi kan tóun á ti lọ ṣe ìwẹ̀ fún mi mọ́ èmi wà níbi tán ti ń gbàdúrà ó ṣàní kí mọ́ èmi máa gbàdúrà àǹtí wọn ó ná níbi kan tóun á ti ṣe ìwẹ̀ fún mi ó gbé mi sínú mọ́tò á lọ bá a ṣe débi oríta kan ó wá ní kí n dúró ó ní bíbá ó ní bó ṣe bọ́lẹ̀ àìjọ bọ́lẹ̀ ó ní ẹ̀mí òkùnkùn ti wà ní oríta yìí ó ní kí n dúró bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ní ṣé mo lè dá dúró síbí mo ní rárá dádì ó náà fẹ́ lọ mú nǹkan ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì mo á ní lè dá dúró ibẹ̀ yẹn ò jì sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi bó ṣe ní kí n já lọ nìyẹn àwájìjọ fẹsẹ̀ rìn dé ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi mo á ní mo lè dúró síwájú ṣọ́ọ̀bù torí iná sólà tí mo tàn wà ń bẹ̀ bó ṣe wá lọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì nìyẹn mi mọ nǹkan tó lọ mú bó ṣe padà ó ní kí n já lọ wá dé ìdí mọ́tò padà ó náà ò lè dúró síbí báyìí ó náà ò lè ṣe ìwẹ̀ yẹn bí ó ní kí n já lọ kí nínú ìkànnú àwọn ọmọ ìjọ ó tún gbé mi sí mọ́tò àwa lọ nínú mo mọ bẹ̀ ó ní bóyá dé ilé ìkànnú àwọn ọmọ ìjọ abọ́lẹ̀ afẹsẹ̀rìn wọlé àwa débi tó ti fẹ́ ṣe ìwẹ̀ ó wá gbéke inú ilé ó bomi sí níta ó wá lọ bí badagrand ó ní kí n dúró bẹ́ẹ̀ ó lọ badagrand.
ibi olórí.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ilé òun.
bòjì.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
tí wọ́n sin òkú sí.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó wá gbé omi inú bọ́tù ó dà sínú inú omi yẹn ti wà nínú bọ́tù níbi olórí ó gbé ó wá dà sínú omi tí mo fẹ́ fi wẹ̀ ó wá fún mi ní kànkàn àtọṣẹ ó wá ní kí n wẹ̀ bí mo ṣe wẹ̀ tán dájú mo ṣe tán o.
ẹ dúró ibi tí wọ́n sin òkú sí.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
ẹ bómi ń bẹ̀.
òun ló lọ gbé bíbẹ̀.
wọ́n lọ gbé ń bẹ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni nínú bọ́tù wọ̀tà.
mélòó lomi yẹn tó wà ń bẹ̀.
ẹyọ kan yẹn ni.
ẹ máa tẹ̀ wájú.
bó ṣe bí mo ṣe wẹ̀ tán.
alẹ́ ni àbọ̀sán.
alẹ́ ni.
bí aago mélòó.
bí aago kan.
aago kan.
aago kan òru.
ẹ máa tẹ̀ wájú.
bí mo ṣe ìwẹ̀ yẹn tán ó ní ta gbogbo mo ní sàdájì ó ní mo ti wẹ̀ tán báyìí o mo ní yẹsà ó ní ta ni mo lè múlẹ̀ nínú ìyá mi àbí ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àbọ́kọ mi àbọ́mọ mo ní dájì mi lè mú kankan lẹ̀ o kí ni mí ní múlẹ̀ ṣe ó náà fẹ́ ṣe rà padà fún mi ó ní ìkan náà àwọn yẹn lòun á dẹ̀ fi ṣe fún mi mo ní ó dà mo ní mi lè mú kankan lẹ̀ ó ní òkè ó ní ṣèbí ìjẹta ṣì ní ọjà mo ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó ní owó àjọ ó ní ṣé mo lówó lọ́wọ́ mo ní mi lówó lọ́wọ́ ní oníṣèbí mo sì tajà di èní oníṣèbí ìjẹta ní ọjà mo ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni dájì. Ó ní owó wo ló wà lọ́wọ́ mi, mo ní owó àjọ ni. Ó ní ó yá, bí mo ṣe ó ní kí n ṣí fóònù mi, mo ṣí fóònù torí ìgbà tí màá ṣàfiṣe ìwẹ̀ yẹn tán mi ìwà òkè mọ́, mo ṣáà ti atẹ́gùn kan fẹ́ sí mi, mo ṣáà ń ju ara mi, mo ṣáà ṣìnà tí kò sì ń bèèrè lọ́wọ́ pé kí n ṣí fóònù mi. Bóyá ṣí fóònù mi ó tẹ account number, mo sẹ́ndì, ó ní èlò ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀, mo ní 200,000. Ó sẹ́ndì owó yẹn, ìgbà tó tẹ owó tán ó wá ní kí n tẹ kóòdì, mo tẹ kóòdì yẹn. Ó wá ní bó ṣe tẹ kóòdì yẹn tán ó ní kí n delete ẹ̀, mo delete ẹ̀ lójú ẹ̀ bí nǹkan ṣàfihàn kan síyàn bá ní sọ̀rọ̀ kò wá yé mi mọ́, mo ṣáà delete alert yẹn. Bí mo delete ẹ̀ tán ó wá nìkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lénìí, ó ní mi gbọ́dọ̀ sọ fún ẹ̀dá alààyè kankan o, ó ní ọjọ́ tí n bá ti sọ ó ní ọjọ́ yẹn ni màá kú. Ó ní mi gbọ́dọ̀ sọ fún anybody o. Mo ní mo ti gbọ́ dájì. Ó wá mú mi wọlé, ó tún lọ bá mi lájọṣepọ̀. Ó ní mi gbọ́dọ̀ sọ fún anybody, ó ní tí bá ti sọ ní ilé ibi ọmọ ìjọ ẹ̀hún náà ni.
Kí lorúkọ ọmọ ìjọ yẹn?
Ahmed ló ń jẹ́ Ahmed Abíọ́lá.
Lọ́mọ ìjọ yẹn?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ṣọ́mọ ìjọ yẹn wà nílé ńgbà náà?
Rárá, ó wà ní chọ́ọ̀chì.
Bó làwọn ti rí kí ìwọlé?
Ó máa ń lọ ọbẹ̀ kí ìwà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
Báwo lẹ̀yin ṣe mọ̀?
Ìgbà míì a jókòó sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù ìyàwó ẹ̀. Ó adágbé fún ìyàwó ẹ̀ pé òun lọ ilé ọ̀dọ̀ Ahmed. Ó jẹ́ kí n mọ̀, ó máa ń lọ ọbẹ̀, ó máa ń ṣeré. Ìgbà míì gan lọ ọbẹ̀ á pé ìyàwó ẹ̀ pé òun wà níbi báyìí báyìí o.
Ó wá bá yín lájọṣepọ̀?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ta ló wẹ̀wẹ̀ yẹn fún yín?
Èmi fúnra mi ni mo wẹ̀, bọ̀ ó dúró sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ tí mo fi wẹ̀wẹ̀ yẹn ni.
Wọ́n tanná sí yín?
Rárá, iná sólà wà nínú ilé òun, ó wà nílé òun.
Ṣé inú ilé lẹ ti wẹ̀wẹ̀ yẹn ni?
Ìta ni, bọ̀ iná sólà ilé tán mú síta, ó tàn sí.
Ó rí yín bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ń wẹ̀ lọ́wọ́?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ìgbà tí ó wá bá yín lájọṣepọ̀?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Bí ẹ̀mélòó ló bá yín lájọṣepọ̀?
Ẹ̀ẹ̀kan ni, bọ̀ ẹ̀ pé ṣé tán báyìí ta jáde síta ló ní mi gbọ́dọ̀ sọ fún anybody o. Ó ní ọjọ́ tí n bá ti sọ pọ́jọ́ yẹn ni màá kú. Ẹ̀rù wá ń bà mí láti ìgbà yẹn, mi wá lè sọ síta. Bí mo ṣàṣe dé báyìí dé chọ́ọ̀chì tílẹ̀ mọ́ta lọlé àti pé mo ṣe dé lọ́jọ́ kejì báyìí sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù, ó tún wá bá mi, ó ní ta gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lánàá mà gbọ́dọ̀ sọ fún èèyàn wá máa kú. Ó mọ nǹkan tóun lè ṣe o, ó dẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tóun lè ṣe. Mo ní yẹsà, ó wá náà nídìí 50,000. Láti ìgbà yẹn ló ṣàti ń gbowó yẹn, ọjọ́ 50, ọjọ́ 100, ọjọ́ kí n fẹ́ lọ ra ẹja kó gbà á, kí n tún lọ gbẹ́ja àwìn. Gbèsè yẹn ṣà ń rọ́ọ̀lù gbèsè. Ọgbà mi báyìí ó lè náà nídìí owó tí mi ní màá lọ yá. Màá ṣàbẹ̀ tí máa yáwó kiri tó bá ṣàtì náà nídìí owó báyìí àfi tí bá kówó yẹn fún kára mi tó balẹ̀. Káàṣì dẹ̀ ni láti ìgbà tó ti gba transfer, káàṣì ló wá ń gbà ọjọ́ 100. Mo rọ́jọ́ kan tí mò ń ka owó àjọ tẹ́niyẹn náà kì í ṣe ẹniyẹn náà ní báǹkì o, kí n bá ń gba owó àjọ tí mo lọ gba káàṣì báyìí. Bóyá dé nìyẹn, ìgbà míì gà ń rìn síwájú. A ní kí n tẹ̀lé òun tó bá ṣe díẹ̀ tí o máa tẹ̀lé màá tún fún. Ìgbà míì inú black line náà ni màá dì sá ní kí n má tún pé kí n fún òun. Bó ṣàṣe ń gba owó yẹn nìyẹn tí gbèsè ń rọ́ lura wọn. Owó àjọ alájọ àgbà lọ́wọ́ mi, mo wá jẹ gbèsè mi ìlérin ládùúgbò, mi ìlérin gan nílùú tí n bá lọ tọ́kadà tọ́kọ̀ ń gbé mi sórí ọ̀kadà báyìí, kọ́kadà máa bọ̀ lẹ́yìn máa fi gbé onígbèsè ni. Èní ariwo nílé wa, ọ̀la ariwo. Bí mo ṣàṣe ṣe ìwẹ̀ yẹn tán tí mo dé ṣọ́ọ̀bù àtìgbà tó ti wá gbowó yẹn, ó wá di ọjọ́ kan, ó wá fi mọ́tò pààyàn. Ó lọ orí òkè, ó fi mọ́tò pààyàn. Bó ṣe dé ọjọ́ kẹta náà ló dé. Ó ní ta gbogbo ní ṣé mo rí pé mo ti fi mọ́tò pààyàn, mo dẹ̀ ti dé padà báyìí. Ó ní ṣé o rí pé kò sẹ́jọ́ lórí ẹni tí mo fi mọ́tò pa. Ó ní ọjọ́ tí ìwọ náà bá ti sọ o, ọjọ́ yẹn ni wàá kú o. Ẹ̀rù wá ń bà mí tó tẹ̀lé fi mọ́tò pààyàn tó dé tó wá ra iṣu lórí mi tó gúnyán tó jẹun tán dẹ̀ sẹ́ńtì ọ̀sẹ̀ anybody tó wá mú. Ẹ̀rù wá ń bà mí láti gbà ń. Láti ìgbà ni mo ṣáà ti ń rọ́ọ̀lì gbèsè tí ń rọ́ọ̀lù gbèsè.
Báwo lẹ̀yin ṣe mọ̀ kó fi mọ́tò pààyàn?
Ọjọ́ tó fi mọ́tò pààyàn ṣọ́ọ̀bù la wà tán pé ìyàwó ẹ̀ pé ó ti fi mọ́tò pààyàn. Níyàwó ẹ̀ ṣáà ń sá kiri, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kan náà àwọn ọmọ ìjọ ló wá sọ pé báyìí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí dájú kó tó di kún fún ara ẹ̀ jẹ́ tó wá sọ. Oníṣàárí onígbà tó ń pa ènìyàn onípẹ̀jẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀jẹ̀ ara ẹ̀ ló gbẹ. Ó ní tí ó bá ti wù mí kí n lọ sọ̀rọ̀, tí ọjọ́ tí bá ti sọ ọjọ́ ẹ̀ ni màá kú, mi ṣáà sọ̀rọ̀.
Mo ń gbọ́ yín.
Ó ṣe wá di ìgbà tí ó rí pé mi wá lọ ṣọ́ọ̀bù mọ́ tí mi rówó tajà, gbogbo bí tí mo ti lè yáwó kò séyàn tó fún mi lówó mọ́. Owó àjọ náà wá pé ṣe ni mo wá ń kájọ fún ìyàn rábàràbà. Ni mo ṣáà wà ń lé, mo wà ń lé. Ọkọ mi ló wà ń ta lọ́jọ́ Sunday ọ̀túnla lápọ̀ọ̀sẹ̀ 5. Ọkọ mi ló wà ń ta tàwọn ọmọ mi. Bọ́kọ mi dé pè mí ní ẹ̀, ó yá wọlé ẹni báyìí tí ń bọ̀. Bí mo ṣe sá wọnú tọ́lẹ̀tì nìyẹn. òun àtọkọ mi wá dó sí inú ilé, ó wá dó sínú ilé ẹ̀ sí sitting room wa. Ó wá sọ fọ́kọ mi pé Daddy Mercy, ẹ̀yin ni mo wá bẹ̀ ẹ ṣàánú mi gbogbo bí tí mo ṣàṣìṣe sí, gbogbo bẹ̀ ni mò ń bẹ̀ kiri. Ọkọ mi wá ní Daddy ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mi bọ̀ mi ìpaye nǹkan tí ìyàwó yín ti ẹ̀ ṣe tó wá sọ ìyàwó mi di rádaràda. Ó ní rárá, bó ṣe ní kí Daddy Mercy kọ́kọ́ mi já lọ nìyẹn, kán lọ ra rẹ́gà. Ibi tán ṣàti ra rẹ́gà yẹn kán jáde síta padà. Ó wá dúró, àwọn àdúgbò gan gbọ́, wá dúró wá sọ, ó ní Daddy Mercy, ó ní ẹ má bínú, ó náà fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ó náà ti mọ̀ pé ta gbogbo jẹ gbèsè. Ó ní mo dẹ̀ ti mọ iye tẹ́ ẹ ti san lára gbèsè, mo mọ bí tẹ́ ẹ san dé, ẹni kí ta gbogbo wá rí mi. Ọkọ mi wá ní kó wá rí yín, ọkọ mi ní ó dáa. Oríṣiríṣi àwọn nǹkan tó ti ṣe níbàjẹ́ ó ṣà ń tú gbogbo ẹ̀ bíi pé èèyàn ń kà, bọ́ ọkọ mi ò wá mú fóònù dání, kọ́kọ́ mi bẹ̀ sí máa rìkọ́dù àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ. Ó tún lọ.
Ó ra rẹ́gà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó ra rẹ́gà fọ́kọ mi. Ó ní tọkọ bá ti mọ̀ pé òun bínú fún òun mọ́ kó wá ra rẹ́gà.
Ṣé táwọn gbogbo ń mu rẹ́gà náà? Àṣé pásọ̀ yẹn náà ń mu rẹ́gà ni?
Ó ga náà, ó mú bẹ́ẹ̀, ó mú náà.
Ṣé wọ́n jọ fi múlẹ̀ ni àbí kí ni ìtumọ̀ rẹ́gà yẹn?
Ọkọ mi ò tiẹ̀ já ti tiẹ̀ lójú ò ṣàkódá ní.
Mo ń gbọ́ yín, ẹ máa tẹ̀ wájú.
Ọjọ́ kan kó tó di pé ó ń wá mi kiri, ọjọ́ kan náà wà ń ṣọ́ọ̀bù. Èmi àti ìgbà yẹn ni kan ṣáà ti ń ṣe mi wá lọ ṣọ́ọ̀bù déédéé. Ọjọ́ ìmú wa lọ ní àtàgbogbo máa kú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ṣàlàáfíà ni. Ó náà dẹ̀ fẹ́ rí ẹ o. Ó ní bọ̀kún torí mi, ó náà fẹ́ kí wúmà tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi. Ó ní kó ṣe oníjẹ́rìí nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ sọ yìí. Wúmà ẹ̀ ní ó dáa, bí wúmà ẹ̀ ṣe ní ó yá Mọ́mì Mercy, ẹ fi nǹkan tẹ̀ ń ṣe lẹ́nìyẹn bá ṣe ìjọ lọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ẹ̀. Ó wá gbé Báíbù, ó náà ń fẹ́ búra. Ó ṣáà gbàdúrà, ó ṣáà ṣe. Ó ní ta gbogbo, ó tún sọ níṣojú wúmà ẹ̀, ó náà mọ̀ pé ó jẹ gbèsè. Ó ní kó tó rọ̀nà, ó ní tó bá ti mọ̀ pé wà rọ̀nà àbáyọ lọ bẹ̀ ìyàwó òun àti ọ̀rẹ́ ìyàwó òun tán jìjọ wà ń ṣọ́ọ̀bù kí gbogbo yín máa ṣe papọ̀ kó padà wá bá òun, gbogbo gbèsè tó jẹ màá bá ẹ ṣe tó ní jẹ gbèsè mọ́. Ó ní ó wù láti kàn gbà ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọkọ ẹ o. Ó ní ó fáyìn, ó ní ó wù láti kàn gbà lọ́wọ́ ọkọ níbọ̀ òun ò lè gbà ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọkọ ẹ. Láti ìgbà yẹn ló ṣàti ń wá mi kiri torí pé mi lọ ṣọ́ọ̀bù mọ́. Mo rí bí kan tí mo jókòó sí lẹ́yìn ilé wa, bí mo ṣe dìde bíbẹ̀ níyẹn tiẹ̀ ní kí n dìde kí n kúrò báyìí ló dẹ̀ gbé mọ́tò dé. Ló tún wá mi wá síbẹ̀ bóyá débẹ̀ náà àwọn yẹn níṣe ló ń nọrùn kiri inú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ṣọ́ọ̀bù pé kán fún un ní kóòkì. Àwọn yẹn sọ pé kóòkì òtútù, ó ní kán fún òun bó ṣe rà nìyẹn làwọn yẹn wá ní kí ló ń wá mi fún.
Ṣé ẹlẹ́lẹ́rìí àwọn tẹ́ ń sọ yìí?
Ẹlẹ́rìí wà lọ́lọ́run dá sun 7.
Ta lẹlẹ́rìí yín?
Ẹlẹ́rìí mi lòun lẹni àkọ́kọ́ tó wà ní ṣọ́ọ̀bù ọ̀dọ̀ mi yẹn tó ló pè mí àti ẹ̀.
Kí ló kọ ẹni yẹn?
Mọ́mì twins la mọ̀ sí, wọ́n wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi gangan.
Ta ni ẹlẹ́rìí kejì tẹ́ ẹ ní?
Òun nìkan lẹlẹ́rìí tí mo tún ọkọ mi Jess.
Ǹjẹ́ ọmọ ìjọ wọn kan wà tó mọ̀ sí ọ̀rọ̀ yín àti ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ tọ́rọ̀ yẹn fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ọjọ́ tá fẹ́ lọ ṣe ìwẹ̀, ọmọ ìjọ evangelist ó mọ̀ sí torí òun ló pè pé kó wá jí wa níbi tá a sùn sí. Ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ gbà tá fẹ́ wọnú mọ́tò.
Ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ wá máa lọ ní alẹ́ ọjọ́ yẹn tí mọ́mì yín sì wà nínú ilé ìjọsìn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ sọ fún ìyá yín pé ibi tẹ́ ń lọ yìí mọ̀ jù?
Tó sọ fún mi pé mo fẹ́ lọ wẹ̀ níbì kan ni èmi fi pé chọ́ọ̀chì yẹn ni màá ti wẹ̀. Bọ̀ ìgbà tó ní kí n wọlé ni mo fi tẹ̀lé.
Ẹ wá lọ bá mọ́mì yín pé
mi padà lọ bá mọ́mì mi mọ́.
Ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ wá tún tẹ̀ ẹ wájú tẹ́ ẹ dé gbogbo ibi tó ti lọ mú omi níbi bojì òkú. Kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ sọ wípé dádì ẹ jẹ́ n padà lọ bá mọ́mì mi ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì?
Mi ì sọ dádì, mi ì sọ. Gbà tó ṣàní kí n ṣe ìwẹ̀, èmi fi pé ṣe ni màá wẹ̀ tán tádẹ̀ tún gbé mi sínú mọ́tò tí màá máa bọ̀ padà.
Torí pé ó ti sọ fún yín pé ẹ fẹ́ kú?
Rárá, kò tẹ̀ tí sọ pé màá kú, bọ̀ ìgbà tó ti gbé mi sínú mọ́tò tó ní kí n tẹ̀lé òun jáde.
Irọ́, ẹni ó kọ́kọ́ rìnà kú sí yín tó sọ pé ẹ kú.
Tó ní màá kú, ẹ̀rù wá bà mí pé tí mi ì bá sọ, ó tún tí n bá lọ kú náà wá ní ìgbà tí mo tún réyàn jíṣẹ́ fún mi pé màá kú, pé mi ṣe prayer kan ní màá ṣe kí n dẹ̀ wẹ̀wẹ̀ tí màá wẹ̀. Ìgbà tó ti sọ̀rọ̀ ikú yẹn lẹ̀rù ṣe ń bà mí ló jẹ́ kí n tẹ̀lé.
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin olùṣọ́ àgùntàn tẹ́ ẹ máa ń jíṣẹ́ ikú fún àwọn èèyàn. Tẹ́ ẹ máa lẹ́ni ẹlẹ́ni ó kú. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ìyàwó ilé làwọn pásítọ̀ míì ti bá ní àjọṣepọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ìyàwó ilé míì àwọn sisi làwọn olùṣọ́ àgùntàn míì ti lò. Ẹ̀san máa ń bẹ, ẹ̀san ń bẹ o, tó túmọ̀ sí pé kẹ́ ẹ tó kú ò láyé ẹ kó ẹ̀san gbogbo ohun tẹ́ ń ṣe yìí, àṣírí yín ó sì tú. Àǹtí, kí ló wá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí yín báyìí?
Dáàdì, gbogbo ẹ̀ di rádaràda láti ìgbà tí mo ti ṣe ìwẹ̀ yẹn. Tí n bá jókòó sínú ilé tèmi àtọkọ mi bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí, tí n bá lè gbọ́ ọ̀kadà níta, màá ti fọgbọgbọ́n wọlé póní gbèsè. Láàárọ̀, lọ́sàn-án, lálẹ́, àdúgbò gan mi lè rìn. Ẹnu wá ń kùn mí, ojú gan tì mí, màá sunkún gbèsè yẹn pọ̀. Bọ̀ nǹkan tèmi fẹ́ kọ́mọ Nàìjíríà torí ìgbà tó ti ní màá kú. Ẹ wo irú èní báyìí ọjọ́ Sátọ̀dé ó kúrò ní station nílé ọjọ́ Sátọ̀dé ẹ̀ ó tún lọ.
ẹ mọ̀rọ̀ ìdọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́pàá.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ó tún wá sádùúgbò, ẹ̀rù wá ń bà mí torí ó lè fún wàrà ni kó lè da wàrà dànù, kò lè fún wàrà, ẹ̀rù wá ń bà mí.
Ẹ ti fi tọ́lọ́pàá létí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ọlọ́pàá ti bo.
Civil defence.
Civil defence ti bo.
Ti ọ̀nà kẹrẹ́.
Ẹ ti fi tó wọn létí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ẹ lò lówó tó ti gbà lọ́wọ́ yín tẹ́ bá ní ẹ ṣí lé ní èjì.
Tán bá ní kí n ṣí, ó lé ní 1 million.
Lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn ó ti lù yín jìbìtì ara.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ẹ sì ló fomi omi tó ń gbé níbi ibojì òkú lẹ fi wẹ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Jẹ́ wọ́n tún fún yín ní nǹkan míì pé ń gbà lò.
Rárá.
Ṣé gbogbo nǹkan yìí ẹ ti padà jẹ́wọ́ fọ́kọ yín?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ẹni tẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ẹlẹ́rìí yín ni mò ń.
Bíọ́dún Káyọ̀dé evangelist ẹ̀.
Bíọ́dún.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni orúkọ tó ń jẹ́ nìyẹn.
Bíọ́dún Káyọ̀dé ní evangelist yẹn ṣorúkọ tó ń jẹ́ ni àbí ìnagijẹ?
Rárá, orúkọ tó ń jẹ́ gangan nìyẹn.
Bíọ́dún Káyọ̀dé ẹ káalẹ́ o, kì í ṣe àwọn Bíọ́dún Káyọ̀dé tí ń kàròyìn o. Bíọ́dún Káyọ̀dé ẹ káalẹ́ o. Wọ́n lẹ́yìn ilẹ̀ the evangelist wọ́n ló tún ní dì lẹ́yìn the evangelist.
Ọmọ Ọ̀ṣun ni.
Ọmọ Ọ̀ṣun. Ẹ sà evangelist a fẹ́ rí yín lọ́sẹ̀ tí ń bọ̀ sà. Ẹ dákun sà, a fẹ́ rí yín lọ́sẹ̀ tí ń bọ̀ sà. Ní àdúgbò bókí ló kọ church.
Àdúgbò Ìjàdù.
Ní àdúgbò Ìjàdù.
Ẹ̀kọ́ tó dé Bọ́ǹtò wìn.
Ní Adó Èkìtì wọ́n ní kán tó dé Bọ́ǹtò wìn. Àwọn dẹ̀ ti bọ́n báyìí wọ́n ti wìn báyìí o. A fẹ́ rí yín lọ́sẹ̀ tí ń bọ̀ sà. Ọkọ arábìnrin yìí a fẹ́ rí yín lọ́sẹ̀ tí ń bọ̀ o. Ìyá tẹ ló ń tà nǹkan.
Tangbogbo.
Ẹ̀yin ni Tangbogbo. Ìyá tẹ ló jẹ́lẹ́rìí yín yẹn.
Ìyá Àbèjì.
Ìyá Àbèjì lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ Tangbogbo níjàdù. Ẹ dákun a fẹ́ rí yín lọ́sẹ̀ tí ń bọ̀. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run. Bàbá bá sọ bàbá nínú Olúwa. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ Olúwa sà. Jésù ò ní padà lẹ́yìn yín. A fẹ́ rí yín lọ́sẹ̀ tí ń bọ̀. Ṣé ìyá yín nìyí?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ẹ káalẹ́ màmá.
Ẹ káalẹ́ sà.